DJM TV.
Now government they give us AK-47 Kalash when we take the kpai farm people. Our sabi country people, how una dey waka since now? Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening, sake of the correct time when it be say una take the look us on top our ogbonge day-to-day tori yarns on top our ogbonge TV station when be DJM TV. Na me una sabi country brother Stanley Okucha. Na me wan see yarn una this story when the shele on top our obodo Naija for inside this time. The tori wey we bring for una on top this time go concern tori video when e be say e dey waka siri werere for inside social media when one nama man don yarn say na government when e dey inside Naija na im dey give dem AK-47 Kalash when dem dey use take dey kpai people and when dem still dey use take dey kpai farmer people. The nama man when come dey yarn for Hausa language as all the people when e be say dem dey with am come dey holler am yarn say all the AK-47 Kalash when e be say dem dey use take dey do gbege for inside Naija say na government na im dey give dem all the AK-47 Kalash. Im yarn say nama people no dey carry and use Kalash before until government come meet dem and give dem Kalash when e be say dem come dey use take dey do serious gbege especially for inside the south area for inside Naija. For the nama mouth, I swear to Almighty Allah say na government dey give us Kalash. Fulani no know wetin dem dey call Kalash. We be only nama people. Cows no dey born Kalash. I swear to Allah na government dey give us AK-47 Kalash. I no dey fear to yarn the truth. Country people, una go remember say Naija don dey face serious gbege sake of say people wey be bad people when e dey inside Fulani people don dey kpai dey do kpake dey scatter farm when e be say people plant things put and thief people cause dey do wahala join am. Some of all this one na im some Fulani nama people get am for inside. All this one don dey cause big gbege for the people when e be say e dey for north and the people when e be say e dey for south for inside Naija. When come make Sheikh Ahmad Gumi when e be say im be one ogbonge Islamic preacher come yarn to government make dem do talk table meeting with bandits so that the gbege go come fit comot for inside Naija. Una go remember say for some time whenever to take so we yarn una say Presido Muhammadu Buhari give forward march to security people make dem go do kpai to any person when e be say e decide say e carry AK-47 Kalash, but this one come vex people when e be say they dey for south for inside Naija as some of them come yarn say na big plan when e be say people when e dey for inside north get to take the kpai their people when e dey for inside south and they come make big promise say dem go do block to take go against the killer nama people and other bad people when e be say dem dey do serious gbege for inside Naija. As the matter dey go, one of the aeroplane when e be say Naija don pay for to take add more muzzle to take fight the security wahala when e be say e dey shele for inside Naija don ready. This one na as the people when e be say dem dey arrange the aeroplane knack am come out for inside one tweet when e be say dem write for inside their Twitter handle. For the tweet, the people yarn say one of the A27 Super Tucano don ready sake of say na test dem dey do on top of am now, but dem no come give informate for the other ones when e be say Naija government yarn say dem make arrangement for as they take put the informate for their Twitter handle. For inside the Twitter handle, they come say arrange the picture of the one when e be say they don arrange sake of the one wey be say Naija government pay for. Country people, una go still remember say Presido Muhammadu Buhari knack him hand for $469.4 million ogiri make Naija sojo take buy these aeroplanes for inside 2018 so that they go take put more muscle join their power to take vamoose the serious gbege when be say Naija dey face with bad people and GBT people. For him side that time the before chief of air staff when e be say e dey for inside Naija when him name be Air Marshal Sadiq Abubakar yarn say the aeroplane dem go reach Naija for inside 2021 when e be say be the year when e be say we dey so. This one na him yarn before him come retire comot for the position when e be say him be dey as the air marshal for inside the Nigeria Air Force. Country people, tori wey just dey reach us now yarn say the aeroplane mission when e be say the Naija Sojo people do today for inside Benin Gwari area and the areas when e be say dey near them don kpai many bandits when e be say dem be go dey do gbege for inside the area. Na the Kaduna state government confirmate this story for the mouth of the commissioner for internal security and home matter for inside the state when him name be Samuel Aruwan when yarn with tori people as the gbege shele. Him yarn say the informate when e be say e dey now say the Naija Sojo people don sight some bandits for inside kilometer 6 for west of Anaba and dem come face dem with serious gbege with aeroplane power when e come join so and come begin meet the bandits when e be say they come begin gbaga for their dear life. So e come yarn join say as those bandits dey try to gbaga na so the Sojo people when e be say they dey for ground they come use their Kalash take begin fire them and so na so all the bandits they come kpai for ground. E come yarn say as everything dey now everywhere don dey clear for inside the area sake of say anybody when e be say e be dey travel dey come or be dey travel comot when e be say they come be hang around sake of say the gbege wey be dey shele say everywhere now e don clear say they fit do their wakament go anywhere wey be say they wan go. The commissioner come yarn join say make people no carry fear again for mind say anytime when e be say they get informate or dem sight any bandit when e be say dem dey make plan to take attack people for any of the area make e be say make dem yarn the informate come out quick so that dem too go yarn the informate give Sojo people and other security people so that they go quick enter the area and make sure say all the bandits wey dey try to cause gbege for the area they go come see fire when e be say the Sojo people don get and set it for ground to take make sure say bandits no fit dey do anything when e be say e go dey affect country people again. Country people, na here our tori for this time for break leg. We wan thank una on top the time when be say una don take dey look us since and we wan still beg una say make una like this our informate when we carry come so and make una still join share am and make una still comment for inside our comment box when e be say e dey under this tori video. We wan still use this opportunity to beg una say if una don dey watch us since we thank una well but make una try make una subscribe so that una go continue dey get ogbonge hot tori informate like this as dem dey shele from inside our studio. Again we wan still beg una if you be businessman or businesswoman when dey do one product or dey sell one goods or the other for inside Naija make you contact us make we come carry the informate give country people because you know say we get many people when e be say e dey follow us for this our ogbonge TV station so we go give them your informate of the business wey be say you dey do or the goods wey you dey sell so that they go come buy from you and do business with you and that your business go come dey do siriri werere as e suppose to be and you too go come dey make ogbonge money from that your business. Until next time when e be say we go come una way again with ogbonge tori wey go be say e go don dey shele by that time. My name remain Stanley Lee Okocha, una correct country brother for DJM TV News. Una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.